Hello, everyone. My name is Michael Bayeli, and I want to talk to you about some usability findings from our most recent experiment. We compared the user satisfaction between Excel and Google Spreadsheets based on 10 tasks we came up with. These tasks were relatively simple, and all of our participants were able to complete them. I want to focus on a particular task which demonstrates the general theme of the experiment, which is that both software are really user-friendly and easy to use. Task 2 asks the user to calculate the average profit for two businesses. I will show you a comparison of how to solve the task on Excel and Google Spreadsheet. This will highlight how similar and simplistic both software are. I'll start first with Google Spreadsheet, and if you have a set of data like this, what you want to do is highlight it, so B2 through K2. After you've highlighted, you're going to look for the functions button, which since the window is minimized, it would be right here. You just click on more. The function button is right here. Generally, it would be all the way to the right if it were full screen. You're going to click on that, click on average, but as you can see, there's all other helpful tools, min, max, count, and sum. Click the average, then press enter. And there you have it. On Excel, it's very similar. If you have a set of data, you're going to click B2 through K2. You're going to look for the functions button, which in this case is still to the right. And this is also minimized, but in reality, it would be all the way to the right if it were full screen. I'm going to click on that, find average, and then click. It's right there. As you can see, these fundamental tasks on both of softwares are really easy to find, and this is because they're quite common things that you need to know how to do. There's actually keys, quick shortcuts that you can use to achieve the same result. That's the topic for another video. And as you can see, this was really simple. That's why companies will want somebody who's proficient in both. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact me through email or text. Thank you.